Hi there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm here to bring you the latest news on the top meme coin, Dogecoin, DOGE. For the first time in 3 months, Dogecoin has finally hit the 10-cent mark. After experiencing a drop from a peak of 14 cents in November 2022, due to the FTX-related contagion, Dogecoin has struggled to reach this important psychological barrier. However, the recent rise of meme coins, including Dogecoin, is making regulators more skeptical about the crypto market. On the other hand, Bitcoin, BTC, is currently undergoing correction. At the time of filming, Dogecoin is trading at 10 cents and has seen a 6.22% increase in the past 24 hours, according to CoinGape. The Doge community is becoming more bullish as the meme coin approaches 0.099. On the other hand, Dogecoin's rival, Shiba Inu, SHIB, has seen a huge increase in price, likely in anticipation of the upcoming Shibarium upgrade. SHIB is currently trading at $1.54 and has gone up 23% in the last 24 hours. Another important factor driving the growth of meme coins is Elon Musk's recent announcement about revolutionizing the Twitter payment space. The Doge community has long been optimistic about the possibility of crypto-based payments on social media platforms. In his recent tweet, Musk said that Twitter is launching a new ad revenue model for creators who have subscribed to the Twitter Blue Verified program. However, it's still uncertain when Twitter will introduce crypto payments, given the current regulatory landscape. That's all for today's top crypto news. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay up to date on the latest news. Thank you for watching.